Today I would like to talk about why skin to skin contact is important and what are the benefits of breastfeeding. So as we see practically, there would be very few organizations which will be going for skin to skin contact. Here in Ankara Board of Pearl, really we are much more interested and very keen to give skin to skin contact. Practically talking, why it is needed now. Few years before, we used to not give skin to skin contact. It was like transferring the baby to the mother side and all. But literally there is a lot of difference. Like when we are giving skin to skin contact to the baby, we are understanding how much difference it is showing after the birth of the baby and how easily the breastfeeding is going on. So the skin to skin contact, what are the benefits? First, the thing is the baby's temperature is being maintained by the mother as soon as we put the baby for skin to skin contact. Second, the bonding between the mother and the baby is being created. The first that the baby learns is like the mother touch, the mother feel, the smell of the mother, and a real beautiful feeling it is for the mother as well as for the baby. And if you see, the baby will ease out. There would be no crying from the baby side. The baby temperature is maintained and the baby's first learning like who is my mother, who is she, how contact, how well is she, and it's a beautiful bonding that has been created. And how does this help us in breastfeeding? Yes, it helps us very much in breastfeeding. Why? Because the bonding that has been created between the mother and the child is being continued for the next many hours and really helps in the breastfeeding. The baby who are put in skin to skin contact, we have seen the changes that the baby easily latches on. The baby's position is easily being maintained, and that is how there are a lot of difference after few days or after the days that is being carried out. For any mother, see, breastfeeding is very much important and breastfeeding is something that is very easy. Nowadays the mothers come with problems saying no, breastfeeding is difficult, we are not able to breastfeed, there is no milk. These all problems you will never see in the mother who is able to give good skin to skin contact. So that is why I say that skin to skin contact is very much important. Coming to breastfeeding, why it is important? As everyone knows that breastfeeding is important for the mother and for the baby because there are a lot of benefits, and really mark my words, these breastfeeding benefits you can really observe in the babies and in the mother also when you really breastfeed, like exclusive breastfeeding when it has been given. So coming to the benefits, the babies grow well, complete nutrition is being given to the child, and the required amount, that is a quantity which is required by the baby, is being given by the mother, and the baby's bonding with the mother is well. So these are the benefits that you will see in the babies, and they grow very well with proper immunity. Second, going on to the mothers, what are the benefits for the mother? So obviously there are so many benefits for the mother itself. First thing that you can always hear around here and there, that it prevents you from breast cancer and ovarian cancer, so there are very less chances. Second thing, postpartum depression, which you can not majorly see, but yes, that is there, so that also gets impact. Like a good impact of breastfeeding is seen in the mother, so you can reduce postpartum depression. The bonding between the mother and the child is good. The mother who the menstruation cycle gets delayed because of the proper breastfeeding, and you will see that there would be weight loss also. And the one thing that you can see, oxytocin release, so which will help the mother to have a good feeling that yes, I have become a mother, I need to feed my child, she is my child, and there would be a great bonding between the mother and the child. So this was all about that. I wanted to tell you why skin to skin is important and what are the different benefits of breastfeeding. So I'll ask all the mothers who are present over there, go and ask for your skin to skin contact. Tell the organization that I want after delivery a skin to skin contact which will help you as well as your baby. Thank you.